Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A25 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here let me go back to this general list, and here we have to scroll to find the security and privacy. Let's tap on it. Then let's scroll down to enter more security settings. And here we have to localize the credential storage section. As you can see, almost at the very bottom of this section, we've got this clear credentials option. So basically the option we're looking for. Let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option, which is currently inactive. And it also means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.